Okay, in this little video we're going to just be reminded of how to work out the volume of a regular prism. We know the formula says the volume equals the area times the height, and the area, when we talk about prisms, we're talking about the area of the cross section. That cross section means this bit. It means the bit that is the same no matter where in the prism you go up. This shape, if you cut the prism, it's going to be the same shape. So it's the area of the shapes that is repeated all the way along the prism. And that distance along we call the height in this case. So that's the way to work it out. So if we had, for example, on this one, the area of the bottom was, let's say it's something like 12 meters squared, and the height was 4 meters high. Alright, so you've got the area, the height, so you work out the volume equals 12 times 4, or 48, and importantly, volume meters cubed. Alright, so that's our answer. In example 5, we have a triangular prism. So this particular triangle, we have something that looks like this. It's 6 centimeters high, it's 8 centimeters along the base, and the length of the prism is 17 centimeters. So all the dimensions are in centimeters. So this triangle is the shape that is repeated all the way along. You can see it there a bit easily. So that's the area, the one that's repeated. So we know for this one as well, volume equals area times the height, and the height is the length of the prism, 17 centimeters. But how do we work out the area of the triangle? So we know there's an important formula. Area equals half times base times height of a triangle, and for this particular triangle it's a half, what's the base? 8 centimeters, times the height, which is 6 centimeters. So a half times 8 is 4, and 4 times 6 is 24 centimeters squared. And so our volume is the area times the height, which is 24 times, how long is it? 17, which, if we double check on the calculator, because I can't do that in my head, 408 centimeters cubed. Alright, so if we have other shapes, I can make up any shape in fact, and you have an example that one of the questions that you have to do in the book is a shape like this. And this is the prism with a little bit of a sketch. Which bit is the area? How can we work out what part is repeated? So if you have a look, this side here is this shape that is repeated. So if we cut anywhere along here, let's get back to that red colour. So we cut along here, that shape is going to be the same, isn't it? It's going to be that L shape. That's the shape that's repeated. So all we have to do there again is volume equals area times height. So that's the area of this bit times how long it is. And that's the way we work out the answer. So have fun doing the questions yourself.